All right, so super fun today. We are going to get to finally experience Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind.
I cannot wait.
Super pumped. And we're going to be hanging out with some of our fantastic friends that we have made from our first group cruise, Todd and Debbie and Zach and Kate. And yeah, so we're in Epcot and we're going to go have some fun. So for our experience today, if you guys are wondering, we are doing it as part of DVC. Now, Taylor and I are not DVC members, but our good friend Todd is, and so he has also invited us to come along. So how it works is if you are coming in to do that, this is the way almost all special events work, is that there will be a check-in area for you at the front of the park to check in basically, and then they'll let you in and you'll make your way back into the park. So that's where we're heading back into Xandar. All right, so before we actually get to go in and ride Guardians of the Galaxy, we are actually going to make our way through World Showcase. We're going to do a little bit of drinking, have a little bit of food. And what's best about this, like what's so great is that we're back with, like I said earlier, our friends from our first group cruise. And we've hung out with them before. You guys have seen them in other videos before. But it's just a fantastic time. And so we're kicking it off here at Choza de Margarita for some drinks, maybe a little bite to eat, and just some good old-fashioned fun drinking around the world. Here we go. So while we stand in line, Kate, Zach, everybody might remember Zach from...
From what? White Lord George!
Just scoop it off there, dear.
Everybody else
got some extra goodies. Get you some more goodies.
If that makes a video, I will die.
What was that? Little soft eyes and his mac and cheese bites.
A YouTube redemption, maybe.
Oh!
Boomerang foul.
Get down there.
Did you get it? Was that a good one?
It was at least $6 worth of tequila around there.
All right.
All right, so we've now made it to China. We're skipping Norway because Norway doesn't really ever have anything good. I think Kate and Zach are going to get a chicken skewer. I'm going to get a Kung Fu Punch. Drink around the world. This is number 2. You're still on number 1.
You're getting another one?
Hi.
I can only get a one more cold. Wait. One cold.
Thank you. Thank you. Hope you guys just saw that pour. So I've got my Kung Fu Punch, second drink for World Showcase, and it's really good. If you've never had one before, it's a pretty decent drink. The cool thing is that like we're gonna be hanging out again. We're on Wednesday. We're doing a bar crawl together. So you know what's kind of cool is that like it's just it's I don't even know how to describe it, but they're amazing people to hang out with, and we're super excited. So cheers.
Debbie literally just turned around and looked at Josh and said, "We're coming up on the train."
We're in Germany.
Everybody knows Josh loves the train.
My favorite place. I love looking at the trains. There's never anything different about them every time we come. But it's a cool, like, I wish I could have my own thing of trains at home. I don't know, they're cool. If you guys end up joining us on a cruise, this is the kind of shenanigans that we'll probably run into. Todd is the party animal. And so Taylor and I are both going to get a Italian margarita, which I normally don't get, but...
Josh doesn't drink margarita.
Okay, so here's a quick tip about drinking through the world. A lot of people...
What? No, drinking around the world.
Whatever. I don't think a lot of people tell you this. Start at Mexico, at Choza de Margarita, if you don't bring your own straws. And the reason I say that is because everywhere else so far around World Showcase has had cardboard straws. But at Choza de Margarita, they give you the ones that like agave straws. So they're much nicer than the cardboard. They don't break down like the cardboard. They're a lot better. So start there, get your straw, and keep your straw as you make your way around World Showcase if you need a straw to drink. We're moving.
I was just saying it's really funny because it's been less and less drinks each time we've done a little cheers and boomerang. This is the best one.
This is delicious.
Yes,
this is my favorite for sure.
Oh, so we've got something new here. It's a little bit different.
You got the mule. You're into the mule.
Todd got...
No, I just said it didn't look
I'm sorry.
3, 2, 1.
What did Todd say?
I have no idea what we have.
Oh, that's Viva la
What
France.
is this?
Circle and you drink.
So I thought we were only supposed to get one drink per country, but I was corrected.
No, that was a stand. This is a country.
I was wrong.
What do you have?
So I have an orange cello.
I
which
have
is
an orange cello.
Way better than the crappy drinks they got. Limoncello, excuse me. Way better than the drinks they got.
Oh.
I'm handing them out, letting everybody pick, and you were the only one who made the right choice here.
Oh, yes,
Thank
I did.
you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, so we have gotten drinks here in Italy, and we are now going to make our way, continuing our way around clockwise into America and Japan, probably. I'm not sure where our next stop's going to be. It's probably going to be Japan for some violet. I can't remember what the drink is called, but Todd is a huge purveyor of the drink, so that's what we're going to get next in Japan. We're in Japan.
That one, we need that one.
Now, you might be thinking here at the food booth or down below, but we're actually not going to either of them. We're actually going to be going into the quick service location up top.
Sorry.
Spicy sushi. Cheers.
Stingy.
Stingy on the cheese curds. They're also cubed, which looks like tofu. And on the gravy. We do have a new cider that I've not had before. And this is a cucumber apple cider. And it is very interesting. It's like if you got a cider at the spa.
What?
Yeah, that's how it tastes.
No one said that.
So we've done our first check-in, and now there's a second check-in. And just look at how long this line is. It's pretty long. We're all the way at the back. All right, so we just got checked in. And it's official. We can now finally go get on this ride, and it's super cool. They've even got some photo paths going on over here so that you can get up close. It's a pretty long line, though. Taylor wants to get in line for it. I don't really want to get in line for it. I think we could wait until later. Wow, so there is a ton of people here to experience the ride, and it is pretty long. We actually have a lot of zigzagging and going back and forth out this way. All right, so we are in line, and we've been in line since about 3:20. And outside of the show building right now, there is about 10 individual lines that make up the switchbacks outside. So hopefully this won't be the case moving forward. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be all virtual.
So it's going to be virtual queue or lightning lane only once it opens.
Will told me that many of you Terrans still believe that these UFOs are flown by
little green dudes with big eyes and small mouths and antennas and whatnot.
in your Terran year of 197.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar.
You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent.
I don't know if this portal is going to stay open long enough for us to get through it.
Because if there's one thing that people hate more than anything else, it's being hurdled into a single line as cattle. Like at Haunted Mansion.
It was awesome. It was so smooth. It was insane.
It was incredibly smooth. And really amazing because I don't want to spoil it for anybody, but just to give you kind of an idea, and I haven't watched anybody's POVs or videos or anything like that, but the best way I can relate that is like it's a Space Mountain on steroids, almost.
Sure, yeah.
You know, and it was a lot of fun. It was really, really cool and very, very exciting. Not better than Rise of the Resistance, but they're two completely different attractions.
different.
This is a
roller
coaster,
coaster.
and Rise is trackless.
I
so.
definitely think this is like family friendly though.
Oh, absolutely, 100%. This is a family-friendly roller coaster, so don't be worried about like big drops or anything like that.
Yeah, no, and it's, oh my gosh, like so smooth, like I could not get over it.
It was awesome. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you on Wednesday.
55 in the morning.
All right. Well, I'll see you in the morning. Yes. But
Bye.
bye, guys. All right. Might be a little pot because it's pretty windy all of a sudden.
It
but
sure is.
we just had a great time at Epcot tonight, which was really, really nice.
We ended up drinking around the world, which I was not ready for. But it was fun. We've really never done that before.
That's true. We really haven't. And it was just a great time. You know, I mean, it's tough for me to describe, but like Todd and Debbie and Kate and Zach have become
I feel like we've known them for so long.
Right, but we haven't because we met them.
We've only known them since 2020.
We met them on our first group cruise, and it's just, it's awesome. And
we were talking about it a little bit tonight, actually.
We were, and you know, the whole thing is that like if you're interested or you're wondering or you're unsure about taking a cruise because you're unsure about knowing people, the really great thing is that like we do, I think, form